Did you know your car can be more than just a mode of transportation? Indeed, it can transform into a source of passive income. The truth is, many of us haven't tapped into the full potential of our vehicles. More often than not, cars remain idle in driveways or parking lots, merely waiting for their next journey. It's in these idle moments that an untapped opportunity lies. Skepticism surfaces with the notion of turning your vehicle into a mobile billboard. Common apprehensions about its impact on the car's appearance, safety implications, and the actual income potential arise. These concerns usually come from a lack of understanding of how vehicle advertising genuinely operates. Let's embark on a journey to explore how your car, through advertisements, not only combats underutilization, but also unveils a new income stream. This discussion will clarify the realm of car ads, preparing you to safely convert your vehicle into a revenue-generating entity. Transforming your vehicle into a moving billboard is simpler and safer than you might imagine. Countless car owners have ventured into renting out ad space, tapping into a blend of passive income and mobility. A paramount concern is safety, potential damage to the vehicle, and navigating legalities. Partnering with reputable advertising firms is crucial. They ensure the used ad materials are safe and preserve your car's paint, while also adhering to local regulations. Success stories are plentiful. Consider Sarah, a teacher who augments her income by commuting, or Mike, whose road trips now pay off. Their experiences not only highlight financial benefits, but also the ease of integrating this venture into their lives. Next, we delve into how you can join this lucrative trend, taking your daily commute to the next level of income generation. The subsequent segment will unpack the essentials, making the journey towards financial empowerment accessible and real. Imagine the empowerment that comes with knowing your vehicle does more than transport. It earns. This is where convenience and opportunity converge, a nexus of daily life and innovation. Through mobile advertising, your car serves as a dynamic billboard, accruing income with every mile. Its beauty lies in the simplicity and reach it offers. Whether you're off to work, running errands, or even when parked, your vehicle is positioned to generate income. This system is designed to integrate effortlessly with your lifestyle, steering clear of the complexities traditional passive income methods entail. Financial empowerment is now more accessible, literally starting from your driveway. It's your turn to make a move. Embrace this canvas of opportunity, not just driving, but driving toward financial freedom. Are you ready to harness the benefits of mobile advertising? Let this be the moment you pivot to earning effortlessly. The opportunity awaits, and it's yours for the taking.